Jennifer Nickel with Prairie View A&M University Cooperative Extension Program. I'm here in the Cresses Kitchen at Square Mile Farm on 6th Street. It's a beautiful day today. I wanted to bring to you guys another recipe that you can make. This is a green smoothie. This is a recipe that you can make to incorporate greens into your family's diet. Remember, it can be a healthy snack, or if you want a healthy dessert, it can be that as well. So let's start out. This is a super simple recipe. We're going to start with a cup of milk, any kind of milk you want. Next, we're going to do a handful of greens, whatever kind of greens you want. We got our greens here from Square Mile Farm. This is a mixed green. And then 2/3 cup of strawberries or any kind of berry you want. You can use whatever you want. You can use more or you can use less of strawberries, berries, it doesn't matter. Next, you're going to put 1 small banana in there. If you like more banana, put more banana in there. All right. Now let's get to the good stuff. So you're going to put about a teaspoon of peanut butter, almond butter. We got a lot of people out here today. We're going to do a dash of cinnamon. However much cinnamon you want. It really does. You really can taste it. Next, we're going to do a teaspoon of honey. So I don't know what a teaspoon is. That looks about a teaspoon. But remember, if you guys like more honey, less honey, it doesn't matter. And then we've got about a 1/2 cup of ice. I like a lot of ice because I like mine to be frothy. And I think that's all. So once you've done that, put all that in there. And then you put it on the blender. Remember, your family's going to love it and they're going to be healthy too. And we're going to blend all that up. My suggestion is to blend it really good so they can't see the greens, and your kids will never know that they're eating a healthy snack. So here we are at Square Mile Farm. We got a smoothie. You guys, this is a healthy snack, great for your family. We'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.